guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tough one as we experience the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl hitting Union Island, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Let's start by taking a look at some shocking footage of the devastation caused by this powerful storm. I'm sure many of you have heard about Hurricane Beryl, but the impact it had on this small island community is truly heart-wrenching. Today, we're going to explore the devastating effects of this natural disaster and shed light on the challenges faced by the residents of Union Island. The destruction left in Hurricane Beryl's wake is nothing short of catastrophic. Union Island's already vulnerable infrastructure has been decimated, leaving its residents struggling to cope with the aftermath. The challenges they face, from lack of basic necessities to the daunting task of rebuilding their lives, are immense. Despite the bleak situation, there is a glimmer of hope amidst the chaos. The resilience of the local community is truly inspiring as they come together to support each other and face the long road to recovery with determination. Amidst the devastation, there are heartwarming stories of survival and acts of kindness that restore our faith in humanity. From neighbors helping each other to strangers lending a helping hand, these moments of compassion shine bright in the darkness of the disaster, showing the strength of the human spirit in times of crisis. I urge you, my dear viewers, to consider donating to relief efforts, spreading awareness about the situation on Union Island, and subscribing to stay updated on the progress of the recovery. Together, we can make a difference and show our support for those who have been affected by this devastating natural disaster. Thank you for watching, and let's come together to help Union Island rise from the ruins. Contact the SVG government to donate. Subscribe to hear more about this devastation and how much more aid and relief will be required.